Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a collab with
What's up? My name is Amber. I'm also known as Amber Michelle here on YouTube.
Today I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. I got it yesterday. We decided to do a little collab where you can see how to get this look and how to get her look. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to use as my transition shade, and I'll put that above the crease. I'm going to be using Potion, and I'm going to take it on my Wet n Wild fluffy brush, and I'm just going to bring that below that brown shade. I'm going to take an angled brush and some concealer, and I'm just going to cut. Go in with this green shade called Inside Job, and I'm gonna take that on a Mikasa E230 eyeshadow brush. Just blend Inside Job with Busted and bring it in. Back in with Potion, and I'm just gonna blend that on the side. Go into my Master Chrome, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone like this, like so. So now I'm gonna take my NYX Vivid Brights yellow liner, and I'm just gonna put that in my waterline. Okay. Now that we got the yellow in the eye, make sure I don't cry because then it's just gonna ruin everything. Go back in with Busted on a flat brush, and I'm gonna put that right against the yellow. A shadow brush and Inside Job, and I'm just gonna blend that together. Lastly, I'm gonna take a pencil brush and with Potion again, I'm just gonna blend that all together. Okay guys, so now that we're done with the eyes, I'm just gonna face. Thoughts on the palette. It wasn't a bad palette. It did have patchiness with Busted. Just a lot of patchiness when I used my concealer to cut my crease and then putting it on. I had to go in and work with it, and it shouldn't be like that, but regardless, it is. So you just have to work at it. I don't know, maybe it's the way I put it on. I'm gonna work with it more and see how I like it. Other than that, it's still a good palette. At the end of this video, don't forget to check out Amber's. I'll have hers linked down below.